Do you know the basic belief of multi-billionaires which makes them super rich? Hi, I am C. Ashgor and I am very excited because today I will share with you the step 7 towards financial freedom. At the end, we will revise all the 7 steps again and I have a bonus for you as well. The step 7 to financial freedom is giver's gain. I personally feel this is one of the most important steps towards financial freedom. As discussed in the step 3, the money management system, a certain percentage of your income should go to charity. Now a question comes, why I should do charity? There can be numerous reasons to the same, but just to discuss a few, the more you give, the more you get. And you experience more personal satisfaction and meaning in life. I always feel charity is not for others, it is for us. Yes, even charity is a selfish thing. We all do it, but for our personal satisfaction, and it is perfectly fine to accept it. But we definitely should give back to the society because the universe will give us much more than we give. And this concept is well understood by the multi billionaires in the world, which helps them enhance their wealth exponentially. Jeff Bezos, the Amazon guy, he gave $2 billion, approximately 14,000 crores in last year. Reliance Foundation is educating lakhs of underprivileged children. Azim Premji, the founder of Wipro, has donated a massive 1,45,000 crores till now in his life. Let's keep all these billionaires aside. Just watch around you how much charity was done to help the poor in the COVID-19 lockdown period. This makes it very clear that the more you give, the more you get. Congratulations! We know all the steps towards financial freedom now. Let us just do a quick revision. Step 1 is to create freedom goals and freedom plans, and it should be supported with a very strong why. Step 2 is to use financial controls like budgeting and cash flow management so that we can invest first and spend later. Step 3 is creating a money management system for you. Step 4 is automating your business operations using technology and financial controls. Step 5 is creating passive income. Step 6 is using the magic of compounding. And step 7 is giver's gain. Now, if you need any help in implementing or understanding any of these concepts, please WhatsApp or email me on numbers shown on the screen and I will be really glad to help. And now comes the bonus part. You are aware of all the 7 steps towards financial freedom now. But if you get a written note on how to implement these steps, will it help you? I'm sure the answer is yes. So I will be glad to share a write-up on all these steps so that you can actually take action and create this magic in your life. To get this write-up, please click on the link mentioned in the description box so that I can WhatsApp and email you the same. And happy Independence Day and happy financial freedom. Take care, bye bye, stay safe. Thank you so much.